Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you saw in the preview, I'm gonna show you how to make guitar samples in flstudiomobile. Yo, man, I got my internet connection back, man. Like, thank God. Like, I wanna get busy. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Yeah, man. And if you like the guitar sample loop that I'm gonna show you how I made it in this video, make sure you tell me in the comment section. If you need it, then send me an email. I will give it to you for free because I'm trying to like get into making guitar samples and sell them for cheap price, man. Only $5. There'll be a pack for like guitar samples, synth melodies, keep piano melodies, drum loops, and all that. But without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. I'll start with the guitar notes that I use for this sample, and then I will go to more complex stuff. Yeah, man. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Comment, like, and share all my videos. Thank you for 1K subscribers. FSC Mobile is growing, and let's grow together. Yeah, man. If I can show you what I did on this sample, the first thing I started was this guitar sound. I chose the key, which is A sharp natural minor or minor natural. So I love minor scales over major ones, and then the BPM for this beat is 120. I just wanted to be slow and all that. And because I started on A sharp, then my root notes should be A sharp, right? And then if I can show you, I can like tell that it look complicated, but it's very easy. Listen to this. So like it's very easy. These notes I just added on top of other notes. I started with the A sharp minor chord progression. Then I had to pitch it up an octave. If I can take it down an octave to A sharp. So and I had to use the third beat so that I can get the strumming effect on my guitar. So third beat is very different, and you can use it to get the strumming effects on your guitar, and it's very good. So if I can go to the effects that I added on this beat, I use the FX equalizer. I use the low cut 200 Hz to remove the lows in this guitar sample because I added the low notes, and I use the FX wow and fluffer with the reverb at the wet level 30%, because if you increase a lot, then the sample will sound muddy and stuff. So now if you can go to the second thing that I added after this guitar sample is the notes that are filling in for empty spaces, right? Then I added this sound, but it's the same, still had guitar instrument. So yeah, man, the same effect that I used on the first. So yeah, when it comes to the effect for this flute, I use the low cut 200 Hz to remove the lows in this beat, and then I use the reverb 51%, then FX comb filter. Yeah, man.